Hello everyone. In this video, we will see if our vehicle don't behave correctly, what may be the problem. Now, what do we mean by don't behave correctly? If you have connected left motor to LM and right motor to RM on Qurio Fire board and to upload one simple program, which is the vehicle moves forward for 2 seconds and then stops. And when you try to run this program, there are four situations which may happen. So let's see those situations. Vehicle moves forward as expected. What should be our response? No change. We are not going to change anything because the vehicle is moving as we desire. Vehicle turns right. Instead of going forward, the vehicle takes a sharp right turn or a hard right turn. Now, if you observe very clearly, you will see the right wheel is moving in a backward direction. And that means the right wheel is not moving correctly. So what we need to do is the RM connections, we need to interchange. So right motors connections here at this point, we need to interchange. That means where the red wire is connected, we should connect the blue wire. And where the blue wire is connected, there we should connect the red wire. So we interchange the connections of right motor in case the vehicle is turning right. In case the vehicle is turning left, we will be interchanging the left motor connections. And in case the vehicle moves in a reverse direction, instead of moving forward, it is moving reverse. In that case also our response is to change, but in this case change both the wires. So which means the left side connections also we need to interchange. The right side connections also we need to interchange. And that way we will ensure that our vehicle moves forward when we write a command to move it forward. And once we achieve this, next time the vehicle will move as we desire. So please remember, whenever you connect the vehicle first time, please upload this simple forward 2-second stop program and check if your vehicle is moving correctly. If it is not, take these actions as mentioned here. I hope you understand this and you will be able to correct the connections when you start your vehicle programming. Thank you.